Don't, because Aquarius are cold and detached, right? Aquarius is the sign of the future, it's the sign of technology, it's the sign of software updates, it's the sign of Bitcoin. So if it's your birthday, don't expect an Aquarius to text you happy birthday. They're busy trying to save some people.
Oo,
Their sign is
kumain
the
na.
most misunderstood.
Madami yan.
Aquarius is the superior sign.
Punta, mag-isang LC300. Tapos ang remaining natin ay gas na talaga ng 80 kilometers per hour.
Yung si 300, grabe naman.
Diesel.
Sulat mga 10K.
Plus V-Power Diesel. So V-Power Diesel na 130.
Hindi, ayoko ng Pinay. Gusto ko ibang lahi. Pinay, manloloko na. Wala pang pera. Charot.
So today guys ay March 30. So patapos na ang March.
Thank you.
Mataas pa rin at tumataas pa yata. Tumataas pa rin siya. 4.3.
Ano ka, Penoy?
Yung mga kanobi, papalo pa ba ng 200 kaya to? Parang pataas pa ng pataas, no? So, line of 6 na siya mga kanobi, pero tumatakbo pa rin. Full tank ng isang LC300 ngayong March 30, 2026 ay tara check natin. Kaya magkano yung dapat natin?
10? Oh my gosh.
8,724 pesos. Grabe. Okay na.
Nabibig kang
Matik na, matik pa yan, ha? So guys, kung sinagat natin yun, kuya, tingin mo, magka 9K pa yun. Kung sinagat natin yun, 9K pa yun. Pero, matik lang muna para 8,700 lang. So, medyo mataas talaga yung gasoline ko. Grabe, grabe, grabe.
Charging lang na 4.8.
Kaya mga kanobi, ang konting update. See you sa next vlog.
Grabe. 9,000 full tank. Ay, grabe.
SM ko dati.
Kompleto dito.
Alam mo,
May pwesto kami dati dito, yung pamilya namin. Yung bilihan ng sok pantalon.
Ay, hindi na ako nauuto.
Wala na. Wala na.
Ay, hindi rin,
strong
no?
women don't chase after.
This is what a 20.5 billion property here in
Ang
Angeles
ganda.
City, Pampanga looks like. It has 207 square
Grabe
meters
yan,
of
Chet,
lot area
kaayo.
and 272 square meters of
Sarap lang
floor
na
area.
maraming may
And
ng
as you can
mayaman,
see
marami kang
over
pera.
here, the design of the house is modern tropical. And now let's proceed to the main entrance.
Bibili mo yung
So
mga
this is your main door.
pangarap mo.
It is
ba?
also equipped with smart door lock. And over here is our living area. So every furniture is included
Sorry.
in the price point.
Hindi mo ko
What I like
magaganyan
about
kasi
this
ako
house is that it has
ano
an
din ako
open
eh.
layout and they use
Tawag
modern
na,
designs, especially
tawag sa kanya, nanggagayo mo din ako kaya.
here. They use fluted panels in the TV
Hindi
wall.
ako tatabling
And
yan.
over here is our dining area, which has a very elegant chandelier. And beside this is our lanai area. As you can see, they have a natural stone wall that will lead us to our swimming pool. So this is our pool area. And now, as we go
So
back to
beautiful.
our lanai entrance,
Hindi
we
ka.
will see our kitchen. So this is
Pag
our
nagkayo mo ako,
countertop.
syempre
That's
yung
that range hood.
gwapo. Papaloko
We
lang
will
ako, di sa
see
gwapo
our
na.
kitchen. So this is our
Ba't ba
we will
akong
see
papaloko
our
sa
kitchen.
pangit?
So this is our countertop. It has that
Hey,
range hood
Andy.
hanging over there.
Harry.
You can also see the induction stove
Ulol,
together with our
di ka tao.
microwave and our side-by-side refrigerators. So here in our kitchen, we
Hey,
have plenty of
Kai.
storage spaces. And we do also have this door that will lead us to our
Kakapi ka
first
ba?
bedroom of
Hi,
the
Ben.
house, which is the guest room. So this room
Try
is
mo kayang uminom ng
perfect
kape yung
for our
walang
guests
asukal.
and even our elders. It already has its ensuite toilet and bath and built-in cabinets. And now going back, we will now proceed to our service
Ang ganda.
area, which is our auxiliary kitchen, together with its access
Hindi yan,
to our
grabe.
laundry
Kaya ka
area
nasasok pa kasi
and
totoo
our
yung sinasabi
garage.
ko.
Over this side
Tama,
is
tama.
our powder room,
Tama,
located beneath our staircase. So this is our staircase. We have this glass railings, our wooden steps, and our luxurious chandelier hanging over here. And guys, if you want to decorate your house with these, I have those on
Wait nga
our
muna
yellow
guys,
basket.
tumatawag
And
ang
now on the second
aking
floor, we have
inahin.
4 rooms in total.
Tumatawag
Alright,
ang
and now let's see the
inahin.
first one over here on this side.
Nakalobat ka, Jud,
Alright, you
kaayo.
have this window together with your built-in cabinets. Now let's take a look at the second one. They also included those LED lights on the walls. And again, this is like the first one. You have your window and your built-in cabinet.
Hala,
And now let's take a look at the shared toilet and bath here in the middle.
How are you?
All right, that's me. And let's move forward to the third
Hey,
bedroom. So
RG.
this is the primary bedroom. It's more spacious than the first two rooms, and it also has its ensuite toilet and bath and walk-through closet. So this is your walk-through closet right here. You have your shower enclosure, and that's it for our primary bedroom. And now let's take a look at the
Hello.
master bedroom of this house.
Dito
So
sa bahay.
moving forward, this is our master bedroom. It already has a bed.
Ano ko,
You
naka-live
have
ako
your
eh.
access to
Nagtatrabaho.
your private balcony, and you have this relaxing view of your peaceful neighborhood.
So,
This is your
malalagay.
TV wall, and voila, this is pretty much the master bedroom itself.
Ilan?
Over here is our walk-through closet that will lead us to our
Wala na ba ano
toilet.
dyan yung
So
tawag
again,
doon
guys,
yung ilaw
that's
na
it for
binili
this
ko na yung malaka?
page. Pampanga looks like. It has 207 square meters of lot area and 72 square meters of floor area. And as you can see over here, the design of the house is modern tropical. And now let's proceed to the main entrance. So this is your
Meron akong
main
ilaw.
door. It is also equipped with smart
Yung
door
ano
lock.
ko, yung pan ko may
And
ilaw
over here
kasama.
is our living area. So every furniture is included within the price point. What I like about this house is that it has an open layout. And they
Napakadami
use
mong
chandelier.
heated
And beside this
water.
is our light area.
So,
As
ilan
you
nga?
can see,
Dalawa
they
kukunin
have
ko.
natural stone wall.
Heated kasi pag mga mumurahin lang,
This is our
saglit na sira na
area.
yung
And now, as we go back to our lanai entrance, we will see our kitchen.
nasa
So
one
this is
five
our
siguro
countertop.
ganun.
It has
Isa.
that range
Yun,
with our
hanggat walang
microwave
ano,
and
liwanag,
our side-by-side
nakabukas
refrigerator.
yun.
So here in our kitchen, we have plenty of storage spaces, and we do also have this
Di ba
door
yung mga peke?
and
Diba?
even our ensuite toilet and bath and built-in cabinets. And now going to this area, which is
Hindi.
our auxiliary kitchen to get
Bakit?
our staircase. So this is our staircase. We have this glass railings, our wooden steps,
Tataas na naman din yung mga
our
bilihin.
luxurious chandelier hanging over here. And guys,
Shop-
if you want to
shopping mo nga rin
decorate
ako,
your house with
ma.
these, I have those on our yellow
Ma,
carpet. And
shopping
now,
mo
on the
naman.
second floor,
Pag-grocery
we
mo
have
naman ako,
12
ma.
rooms in total.
Pahingin naman
Alright,
kahit
now let's
10K
see the
pang
first one
grocery.
over here on this side.
Sige na, ma.
All right, you have this window together
May
with
awa
your
ka naman sa akin,
built-in
ma.
cabinets. Now let's take a look at the second one. We
Mag,
also
ano ka,
included those LED lights on the
mag-iimbak ako ng ano
walls.
dito, ma.
And